On the occasion of Republic Day celebrated on January 26 to commemorate the adoption of the Indian Constitution 1950. This constitution was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. This constitution contains 448 articles. Constitution work from the guiding document for our nation, and it take in principles of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. Our nation flag, the Ashoka Chakra and national anthem represents unity, diversity and spirit. Constitution grant citizens fundamental rights and duties. Republic Day